Hello everyone. So today I am going to review the books that I purchased, and these books are called, you can see, these books are called the Personal Wealth. You can just increase the personal health and wealth also. So let's see what happens in this book and what are the ingredients in this books. My name is Sharad Srivastav, and please follow and subscribe my channel to make lots of reviews about the books which are really important for our personal growth and personal life. So let's see what happens in these contents. So here you can see that we have just opened the pouch and it is fully packed, and my colleague Mr. Lokesh is opening. Now you can see the books, first look of the book, and it is the pack of 4 books, you can see easily, and the book's name you can read it like Think and Grow Rich. It is written by Mr. Napoleon Hill, and the second book is The Richest Man in the Babylon, and it is also written by George S. Carlson, and the third book name is How to Win Friends and Influence People. That is really very it is a bestseller book, and it is written by Dale Carnegie. And The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, it is written by Dr. Joseph Murphy. So let's unbox it, we can say. Yes, open it, take it out from that. So now we will see all the books in the detail, and you can see the pages. That is really very amazing, and definitely it will help your personal growth. As you can see, firstly let's have a look on the single book at a time, and you can see the pages qualities are very rich. It is not that bad. Please hold the mobile. And you can see the pages are very rich, and the quantity and the quality of the paper is also nice, and the font size also is very important for the book. It's not very long and very thick, but all the contents you can find, and what are in the book I cannot say right now before reading it. When I will just read it fully, definitely I will just give one more review how the books are, and how the contents are related, and how the contents are perfect, or only the summary of this book is here. Now the next book is How to Win Friends and Influence People. It is very important book. Dale Carnegie. It is written by Dale Carnegie. You can see the pages of this book also. I don't know what are the many of us have heard about the book. This is very famous book. So the pages quality is also amazing. You can see the cover of this book is really very important, and that is very thick. The next book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, and it is written by Mr. Joseph Murphy, Dr. Joseph Murphy, and the this book's cover is also amazing, and it is workable. You can say in this amount the Amazon is giving a very cheap and best quality of the books. Now you can see the pages. If I am just doing it, it is really very hard. It's not very thick, but it is very workable thing. And the last book you can see is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. The cover of this book is also very important and very thick and nice. It looks nice. You can see the front page, and the back cover is also amazing. Something is written about the author and the content of this book also here, and I cannot read all the contents of this book. After reading all the full books, I will definitely share my reviews again about the books and how the contents are there. So no, I hope that you found it very helpful, this video, and definitely if you find anything that I have missed giving the review of this books, and please share with the comments, so I can improve my reviews also in the next books. And definitely all the 4 books will take time to read and to completely read. So we will just read it, and then after that we will again share our views. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe and hit the like button so that we can give more reviews about the other products of and the educational systems. Thank you so much.